Most people think transplanting a mulberry tree is a risk, but I did it and it actually survived and thrived. Watch till the end and I'll show you the steps which I followed and the mistakes you must avoid. And yes, I'll also show you some real visuals of that plant, so don't miss it. If you love practical gardening tips, make sure to subscribe this channel and let's grow together. So I had this mulberry tree in a wrong spot and I knew I had to move it. But transplanting is always a challenge. One wrong step and plant can die. But I followed the simple steps and now it's growing perfectly in its new location. First and most important thing is time of transplanting. Transplant your tree preferably during morning or evening. I have done my transplanting of tree during evening time when the plant is less stressed. Avoid during extreme heat, especially in summer. Next is preparing the new location. Before even touching the tree, I prepared the new location. I dug a hole twice the size of root ball and I improved the soil structure through compost. This ensures the roots settle quickly. Next is watering the tree before transplanting. I water my tree a day before transplanting. This helps to reduce the transplanting shock and keeps the roots well hydrated. Next is digging out the tree. This is a critical step. I dug around the tree in a circular shape, keeping the roots intact as much as possible. The more roots you save, the higher your success rate. Then I lifted the tree carefully and moved immediately to new location. Avoid exposing the roots to sun and air for too long. I placed the tree at the same depth as it was before. This is very important for successful transplanting. Then I filled the hole with the soil and gently pressed it to remove any air pockets. Right after transplanting, I gave it a deep watering. This helps to settle the soil and gave the roots a good start. I will show some visuals of that successfully transplanted mulberry tree. So keep watching. If you guys found this video helpful and informative, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.